Proven 8 Real Estate Cold Calling Scripts and AI Impact. AnyBiz. Welcome to our video on proven real estate cold calling scripts and the transformative power of AI tools to enhance your success rate. Stay tuned to learn best practices, optimal times to call, and how technology can streamline your efforts. 8 effective cold calling scripts and templates. Script 1. Introduction to new listings. Objective: to introduce a new listing and gauge interest. Scenario: calling a potential buyer who has previously expressed interest in similar properties. Script 2. Cold lead introduction. Objective: to introduce yourself to a new lead and establish rapport. Scenario: calling a lead from a list of potential buyers who have not had previous interactions. Script 3. Re-engagement call. Objective: to re-engage a previous contact who has gone cold. Scenario: calling someone who expressed interest months ago but didn't proceed. Script 4. Investment opportunity call. Objective: to pitch a real estate investment opportunity. Scenario: calling a potential investor known for real estate investments. Script 5. Feedback request call. Objective: to gather feedback after a viewing or interaction. Scenario: calling after a potential buyer has viewed a property. Script 6. Follow up on interest shown at an open house. Objective: to follow up after an open house visit. Scenario: calling attendees of an open house who showed interest. Script 7. Urgency call for a hot market listing. Objective: to create urgency for a highly desirable listing. Scenario: calling leads for a property in a competitive market. Script 8. Final decision call. Objective: to assist in the decision-making process. Scenario: calling a client who is on the fence about a property. AI is transforming real estate cold calling by automating tasks, personalizing interactions, and providing valuable insights. Auto-dialers prioritize high-conversion leads, while personalized scripts engage clients. Real-time data analysis guides agents, and automated follow-ups nurture leads. AnyBiz revolutionizes real estate lead generation with AI-driven multi-channel outreach and personalized messaging. With upcoming AI-powered cold calling and 24/7 operation, it maximizes engagement and conversion rates. Automated email classification, comprehensive dashboards, and personalized landing pages streamline the process for agents, ensuring competitiveness in today's market. AnyBiz helps real estate agents get more clients by using smart technology. It makes it easier to talk to people and convince them to work with you. It's like having a helper that makes everything easier and more successful. Before you move on, take a moment to show your support, like and subscribe to keep up with all our latest releases.